Hey guys, good morning from my lovely hotel room here in Lithuania. Today is our last day here before we move on to Warsaw, Poland tomorrow. And yeah, there are two tours today. One of them is through the city and the second one is out to Krakow Castle. And this castle is located in the town of Krakow. And the castle is actually on an island, and there are other castles that are on islands, and I guess it's quite the lake district and so on. The castle was actually built by Kęstutis in the 14th century, but then finished and completed by his son, Kęstutis the Great. Anyway, this is quite the famous castle, and that should be fun. Around the city here, the city of 500,000 people, by the way, it's pretty small. The architecture is so different from both Riga and Tallinn. All, or not all, but the old town there's so much Baroque. It's just everywhere. So that is going to be really interesting. And I'm thinking I'm liking Vilnius even better than Riga or Tallinn. So that's kind of cool. And again, just so different from each other. Anyway, the vlog will keep short and sweet today. Had a few things happen back at home, and we'll get back on track tomorrow. So we'll chat soon. Here we go.
Пользователь в кармане и совсем не секрет. Там находится...
Well, that was a great tour here at the castle. Lithuania is known for a potato treat called kabitas, I think. So I just picked up some of this over here. We're gonna go try that out and see what it's like. as promised, it is awfully tasty. Potato wrapped in some kind of really light pastry, and I'm sure just absolutely not a calorie. Alright guys, so that's a wrap from Lithuania. Boy, the tour of Old Town was interesting and so different this morning, and Trakai Castle even more just amazing. So the group's gonna once again have a dinner this evening, probably here in Old Town, and then tomorrow is a 7-hour bus ride down to Warsaw, Poland, our 4th country. So until then, we'll see ya.